Volunteering is life-changing. Let's get started.
Morning, Bella. You look so cheerful today.
Good morning, Alex. I feel amazing lately.
What's your secret? I've been feeling stuck and tired at work.
Honestly, volunteering at the elderly home has completely lifted my spirits.
Really? I didn't know you volunteered.
I started a few months ago. It's been one of the most rewarding decisions I've ever made.
What do you actually do there?
So many things. We chat with the elderly, play games, sing songs, and even help them learn to use smartphones.
That sounds lovely. But do you need special skills?
Not at all. Just a warm heart and a little patience.
I always thought volunteering was complicated.
That's a common misconception. Most elderly homes welcome volunteers with open arms.
What kind of games do you play?
Bingo is a favorite. We also do simple card games and memory games.
Do they enjoy it?
They love it. It brings laughter and connection.
I imagine some of them feel lonely.
Yes, and that's why our presence matters so much.
I've never thought about that.
I hadn't either, until I saw the joy in their eyes.
Do you go alone?
No, a few colleagues from our company join too.
Really?
Yes. Human Resources even encourages it, as part of our wellness program.
That's impressive.
You should come with us this Sunday.
I don't know if I'd be any good.
You'd be perfect. Just be yourself.
What if I run out of things to say?
Ask about their life stories. They're full of wisdom and unforgettable memories.
Like what?
Childhood adventures, wartime experiences, love stories, you name it.
That sounds fascinating.
It's like stepping into a living museum.
I never saw it that way.
Plus, you learn empathy, patience, and gratitude.
I could use more of those.
Volunteering helps you grow in ways work never could.
Do you help with technology too?
Yes. We teach them how to use messaging apps.
That's brilliant.
It helps them stay connected with their families.
I imagine that's hard for them.
It is. But when they learn to send a photo or message, their joy is priceless.
What do you teach them exactly?
How to download apps, type messages, take photos, and make video calls.
That's so useful.
One grandma cried when she received a message from her grandson.
That's so touching.
It reminded me why I started volunteering.
Do you have to repeat instructions often?
Yes, but they're eager to learn.
I think I could help with that.
I know you could.
What's the schedule like?
Sundays, 9 a.m. to noon.
That's doable.
And you still have the rest of the day free.
True.
Plus, it's the best way to start your weekend.
I usually sleep in.
I used to, but now I wake up excited.
Do you ever feel tired after?
Physically, maybe. But emotionally? I feel uplifted.
That's inspiring.
I've gained confidence, better communication skills, and a deeper sense of purpose.
That's useful for work too.
Absolutely. I handle stress better now.
Do you think volunteering helps mental health?
Without a doubt. It reduces anxiety and boosts happiness.
I could use that.
Then come with us this Sunday.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
That's all it takes, just one step.
What should I bring?
Just yourself and a smile.
No gifts or supplies.
Not necessary. But if you want, bring a small game or snack.
Got it.
We also do art workshops sometimes.
Like painting?
Yes, and simple crafts.
That sounds fun.
It helps with their creativity and motor skills.
Do they enjoy it?
Very much. They're proud of their creations.
I'd love to see that.
You will.
Do you ever help with errands?
Occasionally, like shopping or walking with them.
That's kind.
It's just being human.
I admire your dedication.
Thanks. It's become part of who I am.
Do you plan to continue long-term?
Absolutely. Even after retirement.
That's beautiful.
It gives life deeper meaning.
I want that too.
Then come this Sunday.
I'll mark my calendar.
Great.
Do you think I'll enjoy it?
I'm sure you will.
I'm a bit nervous.
That's normal.
Will you introduce me to the others?
Of course. You won't be alone.
Thanks.
We're all friendly and supportive.
That helps.
You'll make new friends too.
I could use that.
Volunteering connects people.
I'm excited now.
I knew you'd come around.
You're persuasive.
Just passionate.
I respect that.
Thanks, Alex.
I'll prepare some questions for the elderly.
Great idea.
Maybe ask about their favorite memories.
They'll love that.
I'll bring a notebook.
Smart move.
I want to remember their stories.
They'll appreciate that.
I'm grateful you invited me.
I'm thrilled you said yes.
Let's make a difference together.
Absolutely.
Volunteering might be the change I need.
It changed me.
I want to feel that joy.
You will.
I'll see you Sunday.
Can't wait.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
You've inspired me.
That means a lot. I truly believe volunteering is one of the most powerful things we can do.
I'm starting to see that.
It's not just about giving, it's about growing.
I'm ready to take that first step.
That's wonderful, Alex. I promise, this will be the beginning of something beautiful.